Let's be honest, law school is intense. You've got heavy casebooks, deadlines stacking up, group projects, mock trials, clinics, internships, and then you hear someone say the legal profession is going digital, but law school still feels very paper-based, right? So what if your legal education actually prepared you for the way lawyers work today? That's where legal tech and Legalizer comes in. Let's talk about you for a second. As a law student today, you're not just memorizing cases, you're preparing to become a future advocate, a legal advisor, a firm associate, or maybe even a law firm founder. But here's the problem. Most law schools teach law, but not always how law is actually practiced in the real world. In real firms, cases are tracked digitally, clients expect instant updates, billing is automated, everything happens online. So how do students bridge that gap? Legal tech is basically where law meets technology. Think case management apps, automation instead of manual paperwork, dashboards instead of spreadsheets, cloud-based access instead of physical files. And firms today don't just like legal tech, they depend on it. Which means if you graduate without understanding legal tech, you're already one step behind. Now let's talk about Legalizer. Legalizer is a mobile-first, all-in-one legal operating system. Translation: it's basically the command center for a modern law firm. From one dashboard, Legalizer helps manage cases, clients, billing and payments, tasks and deadlines, firm growth. And the best part, you can access it anytime, anywhere, right from your phone. Yes, even while waiting for coffee. So why should students care? Because Legalizer isn't just for firms, it's a learning tool. Imagine managing mock cases like real ones, tracking deadlines like a practicing lawyer, understanding billing, client communication, and workflows early. Instead of just reading about legal practice, you actually experience it. That's a game changer. When Legalizer is integrated into legal education, students get practical exposure to legal operations, hands-on experience with real-world tools, a clearer picture of how law firms actually run. This means clinical programs feel more realistic, internships become less intimidating, graduates become more job-ready. Law school stops being just theoretical and starts feeling real. Using Legalizer helps students build skills that firms actually want. Legal operations thinking, time and task management, client communication etiquette, business side awareness of law. These aren't always taught in lectures, but they matter a lot in practice. Let's talk about the mobile first part. Students already live on their phones, so why shouldn't legal learning meet you there? With Legalizer, you can check case progress on the go, review tasks between classes, learn how lawyers work in real time. It's legal education that fits into your lifestyle. The future lawyer isn't just legally sharp, they're also tech-aware, efficient, client-focused, digitally confident. Legalizer helps law students step into that future before graduation, not just learning law, but learning how to practice law. So here's the big takeaway. Legal education is changing. The legal profession is evolving. And students who understand legal tech early, they stand out. Legalizer is helping bridge the gap between law school and real-world legal practice, because the future of law isn't just about knowing the rules, it's about knowing the tools, and Legalizer is leading the way.